What's your name? My name is Jeffrey, and I like nuts. Fucking queer.
Hey you!
Dick hole.
Hey you!
What?
Yeah, you. Do you want to be smart?
Yeah.
Then How to Be Smart is a DVD for you.
Oh, I got it. Oh, that's my asshole.
Here you go.
Huh? Okay, because we'll just cut all the stuff out. As long as it's black, I know to cut.
I know.
Hurry up. Daniel. Where's my glasses? God, I hope no one stepped on them.
No, alright.
Keep it black.
There you go.
Upside down. Hurry up, dude.
Alright, ready, set.
Hello. To be smart, you have to know how to read. The ponies went and started humping each other on the middle. Screwy. I hate this shit.
Okay. Yeah. Where's the pin? Where's the pin?
Here's the...
Hurry up.
That's okay, because we just block this out.
Yeah, but the video's not, it can't be too long. So they won't,
Because we're cutting.
YouTube won't let it edit the video.
We're gonna cut a lot of it.
To be smart, you have to know how to do math. 2 plus 2. Fuck!
Okay, what's mine again? What's my other one? Oh yeah, the girls. Okay, I'm gonna say.
No, you have to pay attention. And then we'll... How is it?
No, he has paying attention. I have.
Yeah.
You pay attention and he just has to follow.
You're gonna just keep going like. You're right here. Your glasses.
Pull down your pants. Pull down your pants.
Kid not paying attention.
Okay, okay.
I'm sad like how they do at school.
Hold on, not yet.
Also, to be smart, you have to know how to pay attention.
Do this in class. Do this, huh? Huh?
I'd say,
Hey, you.
attention.
Pay attention. That is not pay attention.
What? I thought you could pay my amendment to this girl by what?